To drink beer. That's what I know.
Germans, they are good engineers, like they are creative.
And when you say Germany, I think, first of all, I think about like cars and quality and the Autobahn and stuff.
To drink beer. That's what I know. I've only been in German 2 times, so I don't know.
Is from Germany. I've been there for over 10 times, maybe 8. I really love the people. They know how to party. I like their food.
I think Germans, they are good engineers, like they are creative, and like they most of the stuff you buy from Germany is very good quality.
And when you say Germany, I think, first of all, I think about like cars and quality and the Autobahn and stuff. But then also the word like Krankenwagen, it was viral a couple years ago. It was I don't even know. It's just a weird word that pops up. And then down the street, there's actually a joke in one of the stores about Germans. It says like, in heaven, they're your mechanic, but in hell, they're your lover or something like that. It's like a joke about Germans down the street. And I don't quite remember it, but you could check it out in that coffee shop over there.
They are very aggressive when they talk, but they are really nice people as well, and they like to socialize and are always open up for a beer or something. But yeah, I like the culture, and yeah, I'm seeing like nice people. The Germans I know.
The third thing that comes to mind when I think about Germans are that they win everything in almost every sport. They are very athletic and they win many prizes and so on.
Yeah, so I like Germany. I've been there a couple times. It's a beautiful country. It's quite like here, environmentally. And about Germans, I think they're nice. I have nothing to say about their behavior, I think.
Thing I think about when thinking about Germany, I think about the mountains, and then also in the country. Well, when I've been there, we've only driven through to get somewhere else, and yeah, I can think about small cottages and stuff.
Really good techno clubs in Germany and in Berlin, and the Oktoberfest I like as well. A lot of Bavarian beer and Germany more. I haven't been to Germany so much, so I can't really say much about Germany.
First thing that comes to mind when I think about Germany is Nazi Germany. Obviously, they have a terrible history, but I don't think we should look down upon Germany as it is right now. I think it's a great country. I think Sweden could be more like Germany in many ways. I don't have any problem with Germany.